Hello, I'm Ian and I play with drones, and here I am down in the lovely sunny island of Malta for a week or so. So thought I'd do a very quick video today because one of the first things I noticed, of course, when I popped up the Mini 3 Pro was that the maps had not updated, and when you're flying you'll end up seeing just a block and some very basic outlines of the map rather than the high detail that you're used to when you're flying. And of course that's because the RC version of the Mini 3 Pro has not got access to the internet. And so if you know how to hook up your remote to your phone's hotspot, then great, super duper. But if you don't, you could be struggling to get anything more than basic blocks showing on your map. So very quick video today on how to hook the remote to your phone and then how to actually see and get the high detailed map that you're used to. So if you haven't ever used your phone's hotspot before, it's normally one of the options you've got. You can normally drag down from the top and you can switch on your phone's hotspot. That will literally produce a little Wi-Fi network that the remote control can then hook onto. When you first set up the Mini 3 Pro, you were probably doing it at home and you would have hooked up to your home Wi-Fi. Of course, if you're not at home, you're not going to get that, are you? So once you've switched on your phone's hotspot, you need to drag down from the top of the screen on the remote control, and you'll see there's a couple of extra settings, and you can see this little nut or whatever settings button, and you tap that, and that will actually then open up a new screen that allows you to join to your phone's Wi-Fi network. Now, if you set your little phone's hotspot to have a password, then you'll obviously have to type in that password. Otherwise, it should just hook up straight away when you select your phone's Wi-Fi network. And so there you go. Once the remote has hooked up to your phone's Wi-Fi network, it will automatically start trying to download the maps. And when you then go into the map in more detail, you will see, suddenly you'll see street names and you'll see all the location as it downloads and caches the map. So you don't need to keep your remote hooked up to your phone every time you fly. Once you've downloaded the maps for the particular area that you're flying in, it will remember those maps, and you'll be able to fly for as long as you want without having to hook up to the phone each time you fly. So there you go, that's all there is to it. I'm on holiday, want to keep this video very short, but ultimately it's one of those things, if you know how to do it, great. If you don't, well, now you do. So, having lots of fun down here in Malta, staggeringly beautiful place to fly, and the Mini 3 Pro really is proving to be the absolute ultimate travel drone for me. It's been flying in strong winds without any drama, capturing some of the electric blue of the sea. I'm just having an absolute brilliant time with this drone. For once, it's the only drone I've brought away on holiday, and it is fulfilling every need that I've got. So as usual, give me a little thumbs up, always helps the cause. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, stay safe and sane, have fun, happy flying.